Happy Easter, everyone! Ariana, did you already get an eggie? Let's see. Oh, give it to me, give it to me. Oh, no, no. And who was there? Who gave it to you?
Easter Bunny.
The Easter Bunny. The Easter Bunny. Nom nom. Okay, so just gonna start doing my makeup for today once I get the Nutella off my face. Does anyone else have like Nutella face problem? It's so sunny. Like if I stand in my makeup mirror, like this is how sunny, so I'm like hiding in the corner. I have 2 makeup clients and then we are going round to Great Grand's for Easter, you guys. So let's do like a fun, like spraying, colourful kind of look. So just put on my Fenty in shade 140, the Pro Filter, and then I've added my Fenty concealer in shade 200. I've kind of been like leaving the Fenty out for a little while because I've been using my new Too Faced one. So I'm excited to see like how I feel, which one I prefer going back to it again. But I really love the Fenty stuff. And let's just get it blended in a little bit. I look so golden because of the sun. Have you found your Barbie yet?
Not yet.
Ariana's been looking for a Barbie literally all morning. Stuart's not talking to me because I gave her an Easter egg at 6 a.m. I felt really bad because she woke up and we hid it in her room, but she woke up really early and she found it and she was so excited, and then she literally just went back to her wee bed, sat looking at it. She didn't even open it. She just like, she was so good, and I was like, I'm gonna open it for her. I feel really bad. Just doing some Easter baking right now. It's gonna be yummy cake. So I'm just using the Fenty powder. This is in the shade Butter. Honestly, guys, if I move into the light, this is me. Add a little bit of KKW. This is the light contour palette. I just ordered some lipsticks for Easter. They are doing buy a lipstick, get a free lip liner. So I got 3 lipsticks and 3 free lip liners. Saving that coin, girl. Well, kind of spending the coin. So let's go and do a little bit of this. Little Morphe brush. I like to just like dip into both. Like have at it. And I like to take like a big kabuki brush and I just like go into the whole palette and I just do like my neck, my chest, so I can get like that gorgeous bronze. And then I'm like all color matched as well. And I love to do like the wee Rihanna, like, ooh girl, I showed a pumpkin. Let's do a little bit of eyeshadow. Just using Huda Beauty. Going in with all that shimmering shade. It's not often that I do like an all over shimmer eye, but I like doing them sometimes. I think they're really like pretty. Okay, surprisingly, my makeup doesn't look too bad, considering I can't see a thing. It's so sunny. Isn't this like a cute little Easter look? So, Fenty on the face. Contour, KKW Beauty. Lips, Charlotte Tilbury. Bitch Perfect. Color Chameleon, Charlotte Tilbury. Eyeshadow, Huda Beauty, Rose Gold Palette. Blush, KKW. That's all the information you guys are getting today. Oh, look at the little flowers on the bag. So Eastery. I'm actually so phlegmy, it's disgusting. It's like stuck in my throat. Like this cold and plagued ill house, it just isn't ending. Like I never, you maybe wake up like for 2 days and you're like, oh yeah, I feel so much better. And then it just comes back and it's like, it just never goes away. Anyway, rant over. I'm just waiting for my makeup ladies to come, so I'm gonna set up quickly for that. And then we're gonna go Easter egg hunting. Ariana is so dirty. She's covered in chocolate and booger man. So hopefully Stuart's gonna bung her in the shower so I can get her ready after I finish my work. I don't know what to say in vlogs. Like I'm like, what do you guys want to know? What else should I say? But keep up to date. I will show you guys what we do the rest of the day.
I'm standing in the one.
Oh, I'm standing on the ground.
There it is.
There it is.
No, let me get it.
Are you sure you're allowed that, Ariana?
I'm sure. What's the worst that could happen?
Are you gonna cut the grass too?
Yeah.
What about your nice outfit?
It'll be okay.
Will it?
Yeah.
I'll just sit here and relax. No, I'm making lunch. The little pies in the oven. Oh,
wait,
hello.
My class.
Oh,
Mommy, can I water again?
sure. I think I've just grown 4-leaf clovers though. Or 3-leaf clovers. They just look like them. They don't look like anything. All done with work. Pretty hungry now.
Got the water.
Did you? It's so sunny. We don't have to be at Easter till 3 though, so I hope it stays nice. So sunny. I get so happy when it's sunny.
Going to work.
Why is Daddy not going to work?
It's Sunday.
Because it's Sunday. Yum yum.
Today's Sunday.
Little pie. Stuart didn't want any cabbage, so he just gets a lily pie. Don't eat Daddy's pie. Ooh, chicken nugget. So this looks yum. It's got like bits of bacon in it. Oh, push that button for me, honey.
A middle one.
Please.
A middle one.
Yeah.
Ah.
Thank you. That always happens to me. Let's dig in. Finally. Oh my god, it's so windy. Finally on our way for Easter. It's still nice and sunny. It's actually really windy. Hey Ariana. So I just like put a little peach like beach shirt on top of my outfit. All ready to go. So we're in charge of bringing coleslaw, potato salad, and Stuart thought it'd be funny to take random rice and pudding with us.
Grandma has
That's no use.
it. No.
Hey, look, someone's already started the Easter chalk competition.
Where'd you go?
Yes, my.
It's all your chalk. Yeah, you can at least draw more.
Food. Ooh, num num. What's under here? Ooh, pasta.
Easter bunny, yeah?
Oh, I see something rainbow.
You see something rainbow? Oh, maybe Uncle Scott will open it for you.
Oh, look, there's sellotape on it. Hold it. Oh, there's more sellotape here.
Oh, it's got a sheep on it!
Pen.
A sheepy pen.
It's actually a pen, so you can change it to pen.
Oh, that's okay. She's already drawn all over my doors with a pen. Oh, look! Oh, he's nice and soft. The ball, it went under the table, Scott. Scott, it's under this table. What's that?
What to bring that table down?
No, it's fine, Mum.
Oh,
You want
look.
to write it down?
You can take that to Nern with you.
There's a peanut in here.
Pockets.
It's beautiful.
And
You
roast
have
it.
to start that out.
What's in there?
There's a little winding thing, but I think you should take this.
Oh, look. You can wind it up. It's a chicken.
But what's inside
I
it?
think it's got sweeties.
I think you have to take
Oh, it's got
sweets
eggies
out, make
inside.
it lighter.
I found a pink
Not while
one.
you're doing it, but then...
Whoa, you're doing it so much quicker than last year.
Okay, 2 eggs. now.
2 eggs, that must be them all.
Just so you know, you're on the vlog. I need you to sign
I
some
see
agreement
some
disclaimers.
And another egg. Sorry, egg.
Ariane, whoever hid these, you're too easy.
I found a blue one now.
It did take you
One opened.
I know.
running fast the same
Mama,
way.
one opened.
That's okay, it doesn't matter.
Oh, there's one over here.
I think there should be 2 of every colour.
Yeah, I think you know. Wait, I see something over here.
Mark, she's got good eyesight.
There's nothing
That's
wrong
another green egg.
Oh, no,
Cool.
you've only got 1 green egg. You must find another green one.
A blue one.
That is the worst dog at playing fetch I've ever seen in my life.
An orange one. Another green one. There's so many more.
How many do you think's missing now? What have you got? Have you got 2 of each colour?
What color? Okay, we need another yellow and another orange.
Where are they?
It's Easter Bunny, it's good at hiding.
Where are they?
Hey, honey. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Have you looked in the flowers down there?
The flowers.
On the flowers!
Oh, quick!
Let's go to the flowers!
Maybe Rosie will get them first.
Maybe.
Did you look over here?
Oh, there's a big one in the middle.
Oh yeah, I found it. This is my Easter egg.
Who did that?
Okay, now you just need a yellow.
We need a yellow one.
Just find it.
Let's find it.
What? Found the book.
Oh, have you looked all over here?
It's a little one right here.
You get it? Yay!
Hey, well done. What a
What's
good
inside them all?
basket. Is that a good basket full?
Well done, honey. Hey guys, so that is us home. Jamie's on. Ariana's in her bed. It's been a long Easter day. But we are finally ready for bed. And we're just so happy that it was such a lovely sunny day. We literally sat outside all day and it was so sunny. And we saw our family, so it was lovely. So I hope you guys had as good an Easter as we did. And me and Stuart are ready for some down parent time. Thank you guys for watching. And if you're new to the channel, please hit like and subscribe and comment a little Easter emoji if you guys watch this video.